हंझूआ तर आया। ओ खुशी तू अखियां भर आया, अखी विच हंझूआ तर आया। मैकू गाटे चलाया माही, मैं सुती पई नू जगाया माही। मैं पुछया जो फेरा किवें पाए, ख्याल अज मेरा किवें आए। मैं हाँ मुझे ख्वाब चाया माही, मैं सुती पई नू जगाया माही।
Young scholars, we are going to have that another language session today, and there shall be 3 people at the same time involved in the discussion now. So this pattern shall continue till the end of that our today's setting now. Friends, clear? So one of you shall be over there at the dais, and rest of the 2 shall have that a dialogue. The word I use, what's that? Dialogue. And what is meant by dialogue?
Conversation between 2 or more people.
They say there's a conversation between 2 people is called a dialogue. Very good. How simple that is. This dialogue, it can take place between 2 people, and they can be anyone. Form it is clear? So you ready for that? For a dialogue, you need V1 to begin with. And rest of all the question shall be based on this word. Should I give example? I request the illiterate man to stand up, please. Fazl, stand up. He is uneducated. He is illiterate. How is he? Illiterate. Illiterate. Literate. Illiterate. Clear? Just pick the mic. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Just keep the mic close to you like that much. Do you take?
Yes, I take.
What do you take?
I take money.
Very good. Now, whom do you take money from?
I take money
From
my grandfather.
Very good. Very good. Do you drive?
Yes, I do.
What do you drive?
I drive the car.
You drive a car. Whom do you drive the car with?
I drive the car with Ainan.
With none. Excellent. Now, where do you drive the car?
I drive the car on the road.
On the road. Very good. Now, how do you drive the car?
I drive the car properly.
Properly. Why do you drive the car?
I drive the car my job.
Because it's my job. Because it's my job.
job.
Funds clear?
Yes.
Love you, my son.
Thank you.
So you ready? Fatima beta come over here. See, it's you to ask the question now, and you will give the answer. After that, it's you to narrate the talk, the conversation. So you ready for that? Sure.
Do you cook?
Yes, I cook.
Ji, Sidra and Adib.
Mr. Adi inquires Miss Sidra whether she
Whether she?
cooks,
Very good.
and she replies that he cooks.
Very good. Mr. Adil inquires Miss Sidra whether she cooks, and Miss Sidra replies that she cooks. Next question, please. What?
What do you cook?
Very good.
I cook chicken biryani.
You cook chicken biryani. Ji.
Mr. Adi inquires Miss Sidra what she cooks, and she replies that she cooks biryani.
She cooks the chicken biryani. Mr. Adil inquires Miss Sidra what she cooks. What she cooks. And Miss Sidra replies Mr. Adil that she cooks the chicken biryani. Points clear? Sure. Next.
Whom do you cook chicken biryani with?
I cook chicken biryani naan.
With none.
Mr. Adi inquires Miss Sidra whom she
Cooks.
chicken biryani with,
Okay.
and she replies that she cooks chicken biryani with none.
Where do you cook chicken biryani?
I
Very
cook
good.
chicken biryani in kitchen.
What?
I cook chicken biryani in the kitchen.
Mr. Adi inquires Miss Sidra where she cooks the chicken biryani,
Okay.
and she replies that she cooks the chicken biryani in the kitchen.
Very good, beta. How simple that. She says that she cooks. She says that she cooks the chicken biryani. She says that she cooks the chicken biryani with naan. She says that she cooks the chicken biryani in the kitchen.
When do you cook the chicken biryani?
I cook chicken biryani on Sunday.
Mr. Adil inquires Miss Sidra when she cooks the chicken biryani.
Very
and
good.
She replies that she cooks the chicken biryani on Sundays.
Very good, beta.
How do you cook the chicken biryani?
Very good. No.
I cook the chicken biryani carefully.
Carefully. Very good. Ji.
Mr. Adil inquires Miss Sidra how she cooks the chicken biryani, and she replies that she cooks the chicken biryani carefully.
I cook chicken biryani according to the recipe. I cook the chicken biryani according to my mood. I cook the chicken biryani in accordance with the demand of my husband, my wife, my family, and so on. बात करेंगे ना जी. How? I cook chicken biryani deliciously. I cook the chicken biryani tastily, and so on.
Why do you cook the chicken biryani?
जी.
I cook the chicken biryani for my family.
Very good. जी.
Mr. Adil inquires Miss Sidra why she cooks the chicken biryani.
Very
And
good.
She replies that she cooks the chicken biryani for her family.
To serve family. I cook the chicken biryani, to serve a family. To serve a family. Clear? Because I love it. Because it's my hobby, Because I like it too much. Funds clear? Thank you very much.
Do you follow?
Yes, I follow.
Ji.
Miss
Asra, Miss Fatima.
inquires Miss Fatma whether she follows.
Very good.
And she replies her that she follows.
Very good. No, she inquires her whether she follows. And she replies that she follows. Ji.
What do you follow?
Ji. What
I
do you
follow
follow?
the rules.
You follow the rules. Ji.
Miss Asra inquires Miss Fatima what
She follows. Very
and,
good.
she replies her that she follows
The rules. Very good, beta.
Whom do you follow the rules for?
I follow the rule for my
For myself.
Miss Asra inquires Miss Fatima
She
whom she
follows the rules for
follows the rules for, and she replies her that she follows the rules for
herself. Very good. Ji.
Where do you follow the rules?
I follow the rules everywhere.
Everywhere. Ji.
Miss Asra inquires Miss Fatima where she follows the rules,
Hmm.
and she replies her that she follows the rules everywhere.
Very good. Everywhere.
How do you follow the rules?
I follow the rules perfectly.
Follow the rules
Perfectly.
perfectly.
Miss Asra inquires Miss Fatima how she follows the rules,
Huh.
and she replies her that she follows the rules perfectly.
Very good, beta. Last one.
Why do you follow the rules?
I follow the rules because it's compulsory in my life.
Very good. I follow the rules for success. I follow the rules for ease. I follow the rules because they help me. They help me. I follow the rules because they ensure the success. I follow the rules because they lead to success.
I follow the rules for success.
For success. Why? For success. I eat food. Why? For energy. I come here. Why? For learning.
Miss Asra inquires Miss Fatima
Why?
she follows the
Rules.
and she replies her that she follows the rule for success.
For success. Very good, beta. Thank you.
Do you teach?
Do you teach?
Yes, I teach.
Mr. Saad asks her whether she teaches,
Okay.
and she replies that she teaches. Mr. Shams inquires her whether she teaches, what she teaches,
Huh.
and she replies that she teaches English and sciences.
Where do you teach?
I teach in school.
In the school.
In
You
the
teach
school.
English in the
In the
school.
school.
Ji.
Mr. Shams asks her where she teaches English, and she replies that she teaches in the school.
When do you teach?
When do you teach?
I teach English from 8. I teach from 8 a.m. to 1:30 p.m.
Mr. Shams inquires her when she teaches English, and she replies that she teaches from 8 to 1 p.m.
How do you teach?
I teach professionally and
Very
perfectly.
good. You teach professionally. Professionally. Kya? Professionally. Ji.
Mr. Shams inquires her how she teaches,
Very
and
good.
she replies that she teaches
She teaches professionally.
Why do you teach?
I teach to increase my knowledge.
Very good. You teach to increase your knowledge. Ji.
Mr. Shams inquires her why
Mr.
she
Shams?
inquires her.
ये शम्स तो है ही नहीं. Saad.
Mr. Saad
हाँ नहीं
Mr. Saad inquires her why she teaches, and she replies that she teaches to increase her knowledge.
very good. Thank you.
Mr. Khurram inquires Mr. Shams whether he buys, and he replies that he buys.
Do you eat?
Do you eat?
Yes, I eat.
Love you, my son.
Mr. Khurram inquires Mr. Shams whether he eats, and he replies that he eats.
Do you observe?
Yes, I eat.
Mr. Khurram inquires Mr. Shams whether he observes, and he informs that he observes.
Informs. Do you sleep?
Yes, I sleep.
Hi.
Mr. Shams inquires Mr. Khurram
Whether he sleeps.
whether he sleeps, and he replies that he sleeps.
Huh? Do you take? Do you give? Do you understand? Do you misunderstand? Do you drive? Do you change? Do you exchange? Do you draw? Do you withdraw? Sir, someone नहीं भी कहते. हाँ जी पूछो.
Do you work?
Do you work?
Yes, I work.
Mr. Shams inquires Mr. Khurram whether he works, and he replies that he works.
हाँ
Do
जी.
you run?
Do you yawn? जमाइयाँ लेंदे हो?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I yawn. सुनो कम है.
Mr. Shams inquires Mr. Khurram whether he
Yawns.
and he replies that he yawns.
Y-A-W-N. Yawn. जी.
Do you run?
Do you? Or do you run? Love you, my son.
Yes, I run.
Very good. जी.
Mr. Shams inquires Mr. Khurram whether he runs, and he replies that he runs.
Do you eat?
Do you eat?
Yes, I eat.
Mr. Shams inquires Mr. Khurram whether he eats, and he replies that he eats.
Love you, my son. Thank you.
Do you recite? Yes, I recite.
Hassan Ibrahim. जी.
Mr. Hassan inquires Mr. Ibrahim whether he recites, and he replies that he recites.
मज़ा आया अल्लाह दी कसम चुमला मा. माशाअल्लाह.
What do you recite?
What do you recite?
I recite the Holy Quran.
Mr. Hassan inquires Mr. Ibrahim whether what he recites,
Okay.
and he replies that he recites the Holy Quran.
Very good.
Whom do you?
Person A inquires person B what he recites, and person B replies person A that he recites the Holy Quran. जी बेटा.
Whom do you recite Holy Quran with? I recite the Holy Quran with my family.
With my family. Very good. I recite the Holy Quran with my family. Love you, my son. जी.
Mr. Hassan inquires Mr. Ibrahim whether whom he recites the Holy Quran
With.
and
And
and he replies that he recites the Holy Quran with his family.
very good. Where do you recite the Quran?
I recite the Holy Quran at home.
Very good. जी.
Mr. Hassan inquires Mr. Ibrahim where he recites the Holy Quran, and he replies that he recites the Holy Quran at home.
At his home. At home. Very good. जी.
When do you recite Holy Quran?
When do you recite the Holy Quran?
I recite the Holy Quran after asking prayer.
After the prayers. Inna Quran al-Fajr kana mashhuda. मज़े वाला टाइम केड़ा? कौन आता पिया?
Mr. Hassan inquires Mr. Ibrahim when he recites the Holy Quran, and Mr. Ibrahim replies that he recites the Holy Quran after prayer.
How do you recite the Holy Quran?
बिल्कुल ठीक जी.
I recite the Holy Quran in Qiraat.
Very no phonetically. الذين آتيناهم الكتاب يتلونه حق تلاوته. I recite the Holy Quran as it should be recited. जी. Phonetically.
Mr. Hassan inquires Mr. Ibrahim how he recites the Holy Quran, and he replies that he recites the Holy Quran phonetically. Phonetics. किसी ने पढ़ लो. English वाला कोई है? Phonetics.
Why do you recite the Holy Quran? I recite the Holy Quran to get
guidance. अलिफ लाम मीम दालिकल किताब ला रैब फीह. आगे क्या है? हुदल लिल मुत्तकीन. बस है ना जी. आगे इन्ना हाज़िल कुरान यहदी लिल्लती हिय अक़वम. ये क़ारिस है. और क्या है जी? किताबुन अनज़लनाहु इलैका लितुख़रिजन नास मिनद्दुलुमाति इलन नूर. I recite the Holy Quran to seek guidance. जी.
Mr. Hassan inquires Mr. Ibrahim
why he
why
recites
he recites the Holy Quran, and he replies that he recites the Holy Quran to get
guidance. Very good. Thank you very much. So nice, sir.
Do you give?
Very. Do you give? Excellent. Do you give?
Yes, I give.
नाम बताएंगे जरा पहले.
Fazl Rahman.
Fazl.
Azhar.
Mr. Fazl inquires Mr. Azhar whether he gives, and he replies that he gives.
Very good.
What do you give?
What do you give? Excellent. What do you give?
I give chemicals.
Excellent.
Person A inquires person B what he gives, and he replies that he gives chemicals.
Very good. He gives the chemicals. जी.
Whom do you
give the
give
chemicals to?
I give chemicals to the factory workers.
Very good.
Person A inquires person B whom he gives the chemicals to, and
Okay.
he replies that he gives chemicals to
The factory
the factory persons.
workers.
Where do you give
The chemicals.
Chemical.
Where do you give the chemicals?
I give chemicals from my store.
हाँ हाँ, वेरी गुड. अब सवाल क्या आगे? Where do you give the chemicals from? Where do you give the chemicals in? Where do you give the chemicals to? तो सवाल इन्होंने जवाब क्या दिया जी? I give the chemicals no from my store. Excellent जी.
The first participant inquires the second one
Okay.
where he gives the chemicals from.
Very
and
good.
He replies that he gives the chemical from his store.
आपने इस बच्चे को भी नोट किया? आप नोट किया कि नहीं किया? इन्होंने पहली दफा कहा मिस्टर फजल नो दैट इंक्वायर्स मिस्टर अजहर. फिर इन्होंने कहा पर्सन ए इंक्वायर्स पर्सन बी. फिर इन्होंने कहा ना जी कि द फर्स्ट पार्टिसिपेंट इंक्वायर्स द सेकंड वन. एक को समाना तो नहीं डेटा? अब कितना अर्स हो गए यहाँ पे? 3 माह हो गए. अब ये जब आया था इसी तरह हमारी तरह, लेकिन इसने अपनी सलाहियतों को क्या किया है? इसने माना है कि अल्लाह ने मुझे तोहफा दिया है. आप नहीं आप ही मान लें, कल मुख्तलिफ होंगे. नहीं मानेंगे तो चल रहा है. बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ.
When do you give chemical?
Very good. When do you give the chemicals?
I give chemicals from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Very good. और इसे बदलने में अजहर कैसे करना? During my duty hours, during factory hours. No. Clear? During the duty, when I am on the duty. अब ये when आपने सोचना है. तो आपने ठीक कहा from 8 a.m. to
5 p.m.
5 p.m. जी.
One of the Silahis inquires the
One of the Silahis. अब सिलाही में क्या कहते हैं? The one who is there, the student of Sila.
One of the Silahis inquires the other one
Very good.
when he gives the chemical.
Okay.
And he replies that he gives the chemical from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Very good. जी. Next beta please.
How do you give chemical?
Very good. How do you give the chemicals? जी.
I give chemicals as per requirements.
How simple that is.
Person A inquires person B how he gives the chemical, and he replies that he gives the chemical
According to the requirement, according to the need. No. जी.
Why do you give chemical?
The chemical. मैं काफी देर से कह रहे हैं. हाँ जी. Why do you give the chemical?
I give the chemicals to treat water.
Very good.
The first participant inquires the second one why he gives the chemicals, and he replies that he gives the
Chemicals.
to treat the water.
Very good. Thank you very much. So nice of you. कासिम और फैसल जी सवाल करें.
Do you write?
Yes, I write.
Mr. Qasim inquires Mr. Faisal whether he writes, and he replies that he writes.
What do you write?
What do you write?
I write English essay.
Very. You write English essays. जी.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Qasim inquires Mr. Faisal what he writes, and he replies that he writes questions. Essay.
जायज नू हसाया माही मैं सुती पई नू जगाया माही मैं पुछया जो फेरा की में पाए ख्याल अज मेरा की में आए मैं हमो जय खा बेचाया माही मैं सुती पई नू जगाया माही मैं पुछया जो फेरा की में पाए ख्याल अज मेरा की में आए मैं हमो जय खा बेचाया माही मैं सुती पई नू जगाया माही मैं हमो जय खा बेचाया माही मैं सुती पई